Hey, it's Patrick with the VFX Creative Studios. Today we did this little short video, and I had my helper here, Jason. Oh, Jason, don't chew on hands. Okay, no, we're shooting. But I had Jason's our intern right now, and I gave him the project of just throwing together some kind of a fake chainsaw prop, and this is what he got put together really quick. He's got a cardboard box. You can see a nice cardboard box there, and he did a really nice tape job with a handle, and then yeah, it was good. And then he's got this awesome foam safe chainsaw with, oh yeah, and you signed it, very good, yeah, nice. And then we took one of our prototypes of the Minion and we mounted it inside it, and then we added 4 sound effects to it. What are the sound effects, Jason? You want to show us? Chainsaw running. Okay, what's the next one? Oh my gosh, blood-curdling scream. What else? Oh, starting. Yeah. Starting the chainsaw and just idling. Okay, good. And then, so basically what we wanted to show was you can have a really crappy prop like that. I'm sorry, I didn't mean anything by that. It's like a, you know, you can throw stuff together that in a dark haunted house with some really nice sound effects using like our product, the Minion. You can turn it into something nice and scary in a haunted house. Thanks, Jason.